Have you ever noticed that even as your income goes up, your money still feels tight? Let's take a realistic scenario. A 29-year-old professional in the United States or Europe earns around $70,000 a year. After taxes, that's roughly $4,200 per month. Now subtract the fixed life expenses. Rent or mortgage, one is $600. Car payment, $450. Insurance, utilities, and subscriptions, $500. Groceries and basic living, $600. We're already at $3,150. What's left is about $1,350. This is where things quietly change. A few dinners out, a weekend trip, upgrading your phone, maybe a better car lease because you can afford it now. By the end of the month, that remaining $1,050 is gone. Not wasted, just used. Nothing looks irresponsible. It even looks successful. But financially, something subtle is happening. You're not building wealth. Now, let's look at the math people rarely calculate. If even half of that $1,050, say, it was consistently invested, it could grow to around $300,000 to $400,000 over 25 years, assuming average market returns. Instead, it disappears into consumption that doesn't compound. Meals, upgrades, convenience, and status. Why does this happen? It's not a lack of discipline, it's identity. As income increases, expectations quietly adjust. You don't feel richer. You feel like you're supposed to live differently now. A better apartment feels justified. A newer car feels appropriate. Spending becomes less about need and more about alignment with who you think you've become. And because everyone around you is doing the same, it feels normal. But normal doesn't build financial independence. Over time, this pattern creates a very specific outcome. You earn more each year. Your lifestyle improves slightly, but your financial position stays almost the same. You remain dependent on your income, not because you're failing, but because the system is designed that way. Now compare that to how financially aware people think. They don't immediately convert income growth into lifestyle upgrades. They create a controlled gap first. Income creates opportunity, but only the gap creates wealth. So the question isn't whether you're earning enough. It's whether your money is building something or just maintaining something. If this perspective helped you see things a bit more clearly, you can subscribe for more calm, realistic breakdowns like this.